Welcome back. What is a business visitor and who qualifies? Basically, a definition of a business visitor is someone who comes into Canada and who does not directly affect or enter the labor market of Canada, meaning they will not be performing any work-related duties or activities in Canada. A business visitor can do the following four things. One is attend business meetings, conferences, or conduct site visits to make observations. This is very important, meaning as you can see, attending business meetings and conferences, you're basically not entering the labor market. You have to demonstrate to the officer that this business meeting or conference that you're attending to is important to your foreign country, wherever you're coming from. So let's say you're coming from the US, we have to show that you're coming to Canada to attend this conference or business meeting, that you're going to take notes, and then you're going to relay the information back to your employer in the United States. The second possible thing that a business visitor can do is attend products and sales training that are conducted by the Company of Canada or by the distributor. So training is considered a business visitor. It could be either you are providing the training or you are being trained on a product. An example again here would be I'm again using US, if you are from the United States and your employer has a contract, also known as a service agreement, with the company in Canada, and they have sold a product to the Canadian company, and you are the individual who has proprietary knowledge of this product, and you are required to come to Canada to train the Canadian employees on this product, you are exempt from applying for a work permit and you are considered a business visitor. Also, the reverse can apply. If the Canadian company has an agreement with the US company and before or after the product is sold, you are being trained on this product, then you can be considered a business visitor. What's important here is, which is the third thing, that a service agreement is in place. A service agreement essentially is that agreement between the foreign company and the Canadian company on the services that's going to be provided. You could look at it as like a warranty agreement. Most warranty agreements have, I'll buy this product for X amount of dollars and you will give me a year or 2 years of services should my product or should your product break down. So in that service agreement, it needs to be outlined what the agreement is, for how long the agreement, etc. So make sure that you include that service agreement. And sometimes service agreements are very elaborate, so you may want to kind of break it down in a digestible format for the immigration officer to review. And sometimes the service agreement is very simple. So make sure the key things are addressed in the service agreement, because the immigration officer definitely would want to look at that. The last thing is buying goods in Canada for the foreign company. Usually the contract is already drafted, meaning let's say the Canadian company is selling the US company something and there is an agreement in place. Either you as the foreign employee is coming to Canada just to look at the product before the contract is finalized, or the contract is already finalized and the foreign company has bought the product and you're just either taking it back to the US or again looking at it and making a final assessment on that particular product. So those four things are important and qualify you if you do fall under those four categories as a business visitor. If you have specific questions, please feel free to call me or email me at any time. Until next time.